innovation are the axle of development that we experience each day. These innovations transform our life and make it better in many ways. With each passing day, the human race is enjoying the benefits of chemical engineering. Chemical engineering deals with the study of operation and design of chemical plants as well as methods of improving production. Chemical engineering uses principles of chemistry, physics, mathematics, biology, and economics to efficiently use, produce, design, transport and transform energy and materials. Chemical engineers transform things for the better and are called universal engineers. It is a new field with immense possibilities. Chemical engineering program opens doors to a huge career prospects. Chemical engineers are involved in many aspects of process equipment and plant design operations, including safety and hazard assessments, process simulation and analysis, modeling, control engineering, chemical reaction engineering, nuclear engineering, biological engineering, construction specification, and operating instructions. Chemical engineers can seek opportunities across various industries. Chemical engineers can grab some top positions across diverse industries. They can also employ their skills to innovate new products and venture into entrepreneurship. Considering the huge career prospects after a chemical engineering degree, it becomes a desirable course for students. Job opportunities in Pursue your chemical engineering degree at Dr. D.Y Patil Institute of Engineering, Management and Research, Akurdi. For a strong foundation, Dr. D.Y Patil Institute of Engineering, Management and Research, Akurdi offers a diverse curriculum, world-class infrastructure and 100% placement assistance for our students. Here is why you belong to our institutions. Are you ready to take up a career that opens gates to enormous opportunities?